we recommend that you take notes during the recording and then take time afterwards to rewrite them in the blanks properly and spell them correctly. Hello, I'm Max from eCoach PTE, and we are continuing our Quick Tips video series. In this series, we're going to cover all 20 questions in the PTE exam. We're going to introduce you to what a question looks like and give you some quick tips to make sure you nail that question as well as you can and move towards your goal PTE mark. We're cracking on with listening today, and if you're interested in following this series, make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also check us out on Facebook at eCoach PTE. Today's question is fill in the blanks. This could be a tricky one for a lot of people, but luckily there are strategies to reduce stress and ensure you're answering correctly. But what does this question actually involve? So, in the exam you'll get something a little like this. As you can see, you'll be given a paragraph of 4 to 5 sentences, and some of the words have been taken out and replaced with blank spaces. You'll have 7 seconds to read through the paragraph. Then, an audio recording of 30 to 60 seconds will start playing. You have to listen to the recording and fill in those blanks with the correct words that have been cut out of the audio. So our first tip is to make sure you're not filling out the words fully during the playing of the recording. As many of you may have guessed, with a 60-second recording, the challenge is not just writing correctly, but also memory. If you end up filling in one of the blanks, writing too much, it's very possible that you may actually miss the next sentence and miss a whole other word. Instead, here at eCoach PTE, we recommend that you take notes during the recording and then take time afterwards to rewrite them in the blanks properly and spell them correctly. The important thing as well is that you're marked for the spelling of the words. It would just be a bummer if you had the right word but a small typo meant that you didn't get the mark that you deserved. Our second key tip is you want to pay attention to the actual grammar and construction of the sentence. For instance, if you heard the sentence, "He is going to the store," and you have a blank word instead of going. If you instead wrote the word goes in the middle, for instance, "He goes to the store," you can see there that the grammar is wrong. So, automatically, during that 7 seconds of reading, you can look in that blank and just from the grammar of the sentence, understand that you have to have an infinitive verb ending in ing. Small tips like this can really be helpful. Other things to look for are plurals. For instance, are they talking about multiple schools or a single school? You could figure this out from the rest of the sentence and make sure you're not missing those key endings at the end of words. I know how annoying that would be. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to find out more about the listening or even other sections of the exam, make sure you stay tuned to our Quick Tips series. To do so, why not like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and check us out on Facebook at eCoach PTE.